Hello and welcome to week 6 of NASA Technology. This is Miss Oric. I am going to go over a couple of things with you for this upcoming week. What you should have done at this point is watch the week 6 video from me, which just goes over some reminders and things about your culminating projects. After you've done that, you'll dive into this week's discussion forum. And the question asks you, what strategies or methods promote creative thinking? Which ones do you think were used by NASA scientists and technicians in this video? Explain. And then you'll post your response on Friday and respond to 2 posts from 2 classmates by Sunday. So creative thinking is similar to the design process, okay, and the steps that you take. So what the question is basically asking you is, when you look at the video, think about the things that were developed in this video and what types of methods or strategies could have been used to help these individuals develop and create these types of forms of technology. So that's basically what the question is asking you, okay? Then you're going to go to your week 6 assignment. Your assignment is to choose from the choice board. So you want to choose something that you have not already done. Okay, so when you click on it and you open it up, it is in a Word document, so you should be able to open that easily. Again, you can create one of the options here: a board game, a quiz, which some of you have done that. So if you've done that already, then it's best to choose something different. Song or poem, that is something that some people have done already. You can do a cartoon or comic strip. You can do pretend that you're a reporter, which some people have also done as well. You can create a crossword puzzle. You can do a digital presentation about a type of NASA technology. You can create a logo. So you have different options here, but that is your option for this week, okay, for your assignment. After you look at the assignment, you have your exit ticket, which is your wrap up for the week. And what you're going to do is you're going to read the computer technology spinoff and discuss how one of the inventions has added to the quality of human lives. So what I've done is set that up as a discussion forum so that you all can interact and see which who comments on what, and then share ideas and converse back and forth. And then underneath it is the actual brochure. So when you click on this, it is in a PDF format. And you should be able to go through it. So it's very short. It's only it's 2 pages actually, if that. And so you're going to choose one of these to talk about. And of course, if you want to do additional research on it, you can, if that helps in developing your post for your exit ticket. But basically, you're going to choose one of these. Let's see, you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 different forms of technology. Okay, so you're going to make that connection between a technology that has been developed by NASA, how it's now being used in the real world, and how it's benefiting or improving lives. So that is your work for this week. As I stated in my weekly week 6 video, the workload is a little lighter because you're also at the same time working on your culminating projects that are due in the towards the end of the month. So that is it for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And I look forward to seeing how you progress through the week with your upcoming projects, as well as your assignments for week 6.